Hi, I'm Patty Sacco. I've been a registered dental hygienist for 30 years. I am a certified hypnotist with the NGH, NLP practitioner, and an associate with the Patient Whisperers.
And hello, I'm Roger Woods, and I have been an emergency room nurse for over 20 years, a board-certified clinical hypnotist, a certified instructor, and I'm one of the Patient Whisperers.
My 3 decades of clinical practice as a hygienist has given me a deep understanding of dental anxiety. After receiving training with the Patient Whisperers, I recognized that I had developed methods to effectively relax patients when they're in the chair.
Now, working with the Patient Whisperers, we have blended chairside techniques that she developed as a dental professional with the methods of verbal medicine to create VerbalDontics.
VerbalDontics, the hypnotic language for dentistry, will illuminate the issues with dentistry and how you can capitalize on them and how you can bring in clients by addressing dental anxiety.
So come learn about how destructive dental anxiety is and how it can be sabotaging your clients' overall health and well-being. Poor dental health inhibits a welcoming body language and rapport.
According to evidence-based scientific studies, poor dental health is connected to poor systemic health, all of which leads to low self-esteem, something that many of our clients request help for.
So, by recognizing dental anxiety in the client intake, the pre-talk, and powerfully scripted sessions, you can empower your clients to overcome the barrier of dental anxiety and make more positive improvements in lifestyle and overall health.
So remember, it goes much deeper than I hate the dentist.
Yes, because using VerbalDontics methods, you will be able to uncover the specific issues so that you can reframe, relax, and empower your clients for their dental appointments.
And you'll notice the clients will be calling you for more help because of the success that they had with their dental clients.
So come see us Saturday, August the 11th at 1 p.m. for VerbalDontics. And don't forget to visit us at
PatientWhisperers.com and VerbalDontics.com. See you there.